So hi everyone, today we're going to learn how you can disable the hotspots in your MikroTik, so your users cannot hotspot to others so that they can use your internet. So first of all, go to IP, then we'll click this firewall, then you will click Mango. You come here to Mango, you click plus add button. So for now we'll click this post routing, just select post routing. Okay, then we come here out interface, you will choose your bridge. So for me, my bridge is this one. Then I will click. So after that, I'm going to action, then I will change this, change to TTL, then I will rename this one as number 1. So delete 0, write 1, then you click apply, then okay. So for now you have done. People can now hotspot from your Wi-Fi, and if they hotspot they will say no internet. So that's how you can do. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.